Hello everyone, Assalamualaikum. This is Mr. TechFox and today I'll guide you on how to use Google Sheets offline on your Android phone. Whether you are traveling or in an area with no internet, you can still access and edit your Google Sheets document offline. Let me show you how to set it up step by step. If this helps, please consider subscribing this channel. First of all, you have to install the Google Sheets app in your phone. So normally you have to go to the Play Store and search on the search bar Sheet. And you will see here Google Sheets. So normally you have to download that and install it. So here you can see that there's an option update. So I'm gonna update it and you have to install it. After installing the app, normally open it. Press OK. Now normally find the sheet you want to use offline and tap on it to open it. Normally I'm choosing this sheet. Select OK. After then click on the three dot bar on the top right corner. And here you will see an option available offline. Turn it on. And this file now available in offline. Once you are offline, you can continue editing your Google Sheets documents. Any changes you make will be saved locally. And then when you reconnect to the internet, your edits will be automatically synced with the cloud. And that's all about the guide on how to use Google Sheets offline. Now you can work on your spreadsheets no matter where you are. Thanks for watching and Allah Hafiz.